Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Cuisinart coffee filter is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in your quest for the perfect cup of coffee, and today we're diving deep into what makes a Cuisinart filter stand out from the crowd, ensuring every brew is as rich and aromatic as the last. Number 5. Cuisinart Water Filters, 12-pack replacement charcoal filters. Enjoy the full, delicious taste and aroma of your coffee. These filters remove impurities from your water before brewing, ensuring a superior cup every time. Replace them monthly for the best results. These filters are specifically designed for your Cuisinart coffee maker. They not only improve water quality for better tasting coffee but also help extend the life of your machine. Enjoying great coffee shouldn't be complicated. These replacement filters are incredibly easy to install, allowing you to quickly get back to brewing and savoring the fresh flavors. Whether you have a newer or older Cuisinart coffee maker that requires a filter, these are designed to fit. They work with a wide range of models, ensuring broad compatibility. These high-quality filters offer a more affordable way to achieve delicious coffee. You'll notice the difference in taste from the very first cup, all at a great value. Experience a noticeable improvement in your coffee's flavor and aroma. These filters meet or exceed original performance standards, providing exceptional value and taste. What we like. If you're looking to enhance the taste and aroma of your coffee, these filters are a great choice. They effectively remove chlorine and other impurities, ensuring a cleaner brew. For those with hard water or who want to prolong the life of their Cuisinart machine, these are a must-have. What people say. Filters make the coffee taste so much better. They fit perfectly. Identical to original and fits as expected. They do not come individually packaged, and so we put the spares in a Ziploc bag to keep them fresh. They're really easy to use. You just pull out the long plastic holder from the water well, unlock the filter compartment, and slip it in. Number 4. Cuisinart GTF Gold Tone Coffee Filter. Introducing the Cuisinart GTF Gold Tone Coffee Filter, designed for your 10 to 12 cup coffee maker. This is a genuine Cuisinart part, ensuring quality and performance. Experience the rich taste of your favorite coffee. Its permanent gold tone design helps to provide a full-flavored brew, cup after cup. Crafted with precision, this filter features laser cut technology. This ensures optimal performance and durability for your brewing needs. It's designed to fit specific Cuisinart models like DC 1100, DC 1200, and DC 2600. You can trust it to be a perfect match. This versatile filter also fits all other Cuisinart 10, 12, and 14 cup cone filter coffee makers. Enjoy great coffee with ease. What we like. For those who appreciate a consistently full-flavored cup of coffee, this permanent gold tone filter is ideal. It's a genuine Cuisinart item designed to provide a superior brewing experience without the need for disposable filters. If you own a Cuisinart 10 to 14 cup cone filter coffee maker, this is a perfect fit. What people say. This is an original manufacturer's replacement for my coffee maker. I really love the gold tone filters since you rinse it and reuse without all the paper waste. In addition, you never run out of filters. I would recommend washing weekly with soap and water as well to keep any oils from the coffee building up. Good quality filter that fits models DC 1100, DC 1200, and DC 2600. Fits all other Cuisinart 10, 12, and 14 cup cone filter coffee makers. Easy to clean, rinse under running water. Marketed as lasting for a lifetime of use. Purchase to replace an identical reusable filter in our coffee machine. Same good quality, fit in the machine nicely, and easy to clean. Number 3. Cuisinart Compatible Replacement Charcoal Water Filters, 12-pack. Enjoy perfectly brewed coffee every time. These filters are designed to fit all Cuisinart coffee makers, whether they are new or old models. Our filters feature a special micromesh material. This ensures that the charcoal stays securely inside, preventing any clogs in your machine. Experience the best tasting beverages. By removing impurities like chlorine and odors with activated charcoal, every cup is more enjoyable. We use ultra-fine-grained charcoal for superior performance. The finer granules maximize water exposure for the most effective filtration possible. Savor the taste of deliciously fresh, home-brewed coffee. These filters purify your water, removing unwanted elements before brewing. This convenient 12-pack ensures you have a steady supply. Keep your coffee maker running smoothly and your coffee tasting great for months. What we like. If you want a universal fit for any Cuisinart coffee maker, this 12-pack of replacement charcoal water filters is your solution. The micromesh and fine-grained charcoal ensure maximum filtration and prevent clogging. Choose this if you prioritize consistent flavor and broad compatibility. What people say. These charcoal replacement filters fit perfectly and noticeably improve the taste of coffee. They're easy to install and do a great job filtering out impurities. These filters fit perfectly and last about a month each in my coffee maker, which is ideal for me because we have very mineral-rich water. Number 2. 200 count number 4 cone coffee filters. These cone filters are designed for 8 to 12 cup coffee makers. They are compatible with Ninja, drip, and pour-over machines. For optimal results, simply fold the filter and wet it with hot water before adding coffee grounds. This ensures a snug fit and a cleaner brew. Our filters effectively remove coffee grounds and oils, resulting in a smoother, richer, and more delicious cup every time. Crafted from unbleached, natural wood pulp, these filters are clean, odor-free, and safe for your daily brew. Each package contains 200 number 4 cone filters, providing a long-lasting supply for your coffee needs. Please verify the size matches your filter cup before purchasing to guarantee compatibility. What we like. For coffee lovers who prefer a clean, natural brew, these unbleached number 4 cone paper filters are an excellent option. They are designed to filter out most coffee oils and grounds for a smoother taste. If you're looking for a large quantity of disposable filters compatible with Ninja, drip, or pour-over machines, this 200 count pack is perfect. What people say. If you want a reliable, natural-tasting filter that fits standard 8 to 12 cup cone brewers, and lasts forever, these are worth every penny. Perfectly sized for both my drip brewer and pour-over routine, 8 to 12 cups. They slide right in without fuss and maintain consistency every time, no folding, squeezing, or awkward fits. Even full of coffee grounds and hot water, these filters don't collapse or tear. They're lightweight yet surprisingly sturdy, a winning combo for a stress-free brew. Number 1. KEEPOW Reusable Cone Coffee Filters Number 4. These cone coffee filters are designed to fit most 8 to 12 cup coffee makers, including popular brands like Ninja and Cuisinart. Please check the compatibility list to ensure a perfect match for your brewing needs. Enjoy excellent filtering performance with these reusable gold coffee filters. They offer a smooth water flow and can be used repeatedly, saving you money compared to disposable paper filters. Cleaning is a breeze. These coffee maker accessories are dishwasher safe. Simply lift out the used grounds and rinse, making your coffee routine more convenient. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel, these filters are safe, non-toxic, and healthy. You can enjoy your coffee with great confidence, knowing you're making a healthy choice. Experience a richer, more delicious cup of coffee. The fine mesh design extracts coffee oils evenly, ensuring a smooth and flavorful brew from the first sip to the last. What we like. If you're seeking an eco-friendly and cost-effective solution, this reusable cone coffee filter is the way to go. Made from durable stainless steel, it's easy to clean and dishwasher safe. For those who want to enjoy a mellow, delicious coffee while reducing waste, this filter is a fantastic choice. What people say. The filter basket is easy to clean. The coffee tastes great and is not bitter. It fits perfectly in my coffee maker. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.